Polenta rolls are a very versatile dish that can be adapted according to personal tastes and preferences. Here is a basic recipe to prepare them, with an Italian twist. Ingredients: 250 grams of instant polenta, 1 liter of water, salt to taste, 200 grams of speck or prosciutto, 100 grams of Taleggio or Fontina cheese, butter as needed, sage to taste, 100 milliliters of cooking cream, optional, black pepper to taste. Preparation: bring water to a boil in a large saucepan and add salt. Pour in the instant polenta gradually, reduce the heat, and cook according to package instructions, stirring frequently with a whisk to prevent lumps. After the polenta is cooked, pour it onto a damp surface or tray and spread it with the back of a spoon until it is about 1 centimeter thick. Allow to cool completely. Cut the cooled polenta into rectangles suitable for rolling. On the surface of each polenta rectangle, place a slice of speck or prosciutto and a piece of Taleggio or Fontina cheese. Roll up the polenta and secure with a toothpick if necessary. In a frying pan, melt some butter and add some sage leaves to flavor the butter. Place the rolls in the pan and brown for a few minutes on all sides. At this point, you can add cooking cream if you desire a creamy sauce, letting it reduce until it slightly thickens. Serve the rolls hot with a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper. Curiosity: polenta is very popular in the northern regions of Italy and can be prepared in many different ways. In Lombardy and Piedmont, for example, it is also enjoyed with mushroom or meat sauces. Polenta rolls represent a creative variation to reuse leftover polenta or to present this ingredient in a different and appetizing form.